Cardano value equivalent to 6.8312 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.7830 6.9877. The earlier day close, 6.9881. The change was 0.1569, 2.25%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 6.85 rands, high 7.33, low 6.37. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost 7.15 rands, high 7.65, low 6.65. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost 7.04 rands, high 7.53, low 6.55. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost 7.21 rands, high 7.71, low 6.71. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 7.74 rands, high 8.28, low 7.20. In multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost 7.54 rands, high 8.07, low 7.01. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 7.58 rands, high 8.11, low 7.05. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, April 12, cost 7.27 rands, high 7.78, low 6.76. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 7.05 rands, high 7.54, low 6.56. Cardano figure on Friday, April 14, cost 7.29 rands, high 7.80, low 6.78. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 7.12 rands, high 7.62, low 6.62. Cardano figure on Tuesday, April 18, cost 7.91 rands, high 8.46, low 7.36. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 7.75 rands, high 8.29, low 7.21. Cardano figure on Thursday, April 20, cost 7.89 rands, high 8.44, low 7.34. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 7.56 rands, high 8.09, low 7.03. In 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, April 24, cost 8.04 rands, high 8.60, low 7.48. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 8.02 rands, high 8.58, low 7.46. Cardano figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost 7.57 rands, high 8.10, low 7.04. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 7.72 rands, high 8.26, low 7.18. Cardano estimate on Friday, April 28, cost 8.05 rands, high 8.61, low 7.49. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 8.74 rands, high 9.35, low 8.13. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost 8.44 rands, high 9.03, low 7.85. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.09 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.61, while low cost 6.37. Found the middle value of cost 7.53. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 8.05. Change for April 13.5%. Cardano estimate for May 2023. To start with cost at 8.05 rands. Exorbitant cost 9.94, while low cost 7.75. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.76. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.29. Change for May 15.4%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 9.29 rands. Excessive cost 10.97, while low cost 9.29. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.95. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 10.25. Change for June 10.3%. Cardano figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 10.25 rands. Excessive cost 10.43, while low cost 9.07. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.88. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 9.75. Change for July 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at 9.75 rands. Excessive cost 12.10, while low cost 9.75. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.73. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 11.31. Change for August 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for September 2023. Before all else cost at 11.31 rands. Excessive cost 11.31, while low cost 8.84. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.24. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.50. Change for September 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 9.50 rands. Excessive cost 9.50, while low cost 7.42. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.60. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.98. Change for October 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for November 2023. Before all else cost at 7.98 rands. Excessive cost 8.05, while low cost 6.99. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.64. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.52. Change for November 5.8%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at 7.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.32, while low cost 7.24. The found the middle value of cost 7.72. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.78. Change for December 3.5%. Cardano gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 7.78 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.78, while low cost 6.44. The found the middle value of cost 7.23. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.92. Change for January 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at 6.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.49, while low cost 6.92. The found the middle value of cost 7.57. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.93. Change for February 14.6%. Cardano gauge for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 7.93 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.93, while low cost 6.19. The found the middle value of cost 7.18. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.66. Change for spring 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 6.66 rands. Excessive cost 6.66, while low cost 5.20. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.03. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.59. Change for April 16.1%. ZAR to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 0.1464 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1431 minus 0.1474. The earlier days nearby 0.1431. Change for now plus 0.0033 plus 2.31%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation for in the not so distant